Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring kumquats, those tiny, vibrant jewels of the citrus family that often get overlooked amidst their larger, more familiar cousins. Don't let their size fool you. These bite-sized wonders pack a flavorful punch and a wealth of health benefits. Known scientifically as Citrus japonica, or sometimes Fortunella margarita, the kumquat boasts a rich history and a surprising versatility. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the kumquat, exploring its origins, its unique flavor profile, and its remarkable health-boosting properties. Get ready to discover why this tiny fruit deserves a place of honor on your plate and in your kitchen. The kumquat story begins in the heart of Southeast Asia, specifically in the rolling hillsides of China. Here, for centuries, these hardy citrus trees have thrived in the warm subtropical climate. Picture lush green shrubs reaching heights of 8 to 15 feet, adorned with glossy leaves and delicate white blossoms. These fragrant flowers eventually give way to the prized kumquats, their vibrant orange hues a beacon against the verdant foliage. While they flourish in temperatures ranging from 80 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, kumquat trees display a surprising resilience to light frost. This adaptability has allowed them to spread beyond their native China, finding homes in gardens and orchards across the globe. Today, kumquat trees grace landscapes from sunny California to the Mediterranean coast, bringing a touch of exotic beauty and a taste of the Orient wherever they grow. Unlike most citrus fruits, the kumquat invites you to savor the entire experience, rind and all. This tiny fruit, often overlooked, packs a surprising punch in both flavor and versatility. That's right, the peel of a kumquat is not only edible but also an integral part of its unique flavor profile. The thin, sweet rind complements the tartness of the juicy interior, creating a harmonious blend of tastes. Imagine biting into a miniature orange, its thin, sweet rind giving way to a burst of tangy, slightly tart juice. This combination makes each bite an adventure for your taste buds. This delightful contrast of sweet and tart is the hallmark of the kumquat, setting it apart in the citrus world. It's a sensory experience that engages both the palate and the mind. Variety adds spice to life, and the world of kumquats is no exception. Each variety offers a unique twist on the classic kumquat flavor, making them a versatile addition to any fruit bowl. Among the most popular varieties, the Nagami kumquat reigns supreme, its oval shape and tart pulp balanced by a sugary rind. This variety is often used in marmalades and preserves due to its robust flavor. For those who prefer a sweeter experience, the round marumi kumquat delivers a more mellow flavor. Its sweetness makes it perfect for eating fresh or adding to salads. And then there's the mewa kumquat, another round variety, but this one boasts both sweet pulp and rind, a true treat for the sweet tooth. It's often enjoyed as a snack or used in desserts. When selecting your kumquats, look for plump, firm fruits with a vibrant, almost glowing orange hue. This ensures that the fruit is at its peak ripeness and flavor. These are the telltale signs of a perfectly ripe kumquat, ready to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you enjoy them fresh, candied, or in a savory dish, kumquats are a feast for the eyes and a delight for the palate. Beyond their delightful flavor, kumquats harbor a treasure trove of health-promoting properties that can significantly enhance your well-being. These tiny fruits are nutritional powerhouses, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. Let's delve into the impressive array of health benefits that kumquats offer and discover why they should be a staple in your diet. Immunity boost. Kumquats are an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens the body's natural defenses against infection and illness. Regular consumption of kumquats can help bolster your immune system, keeping those pesky colds and flus at bay, and ensuring you stay healthy throughout the year. Digestive support. Rich in dietary fiber, kumquats are a boon for digestive health, aiding in the smooth functioning of your digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Furthermore, the fiber in kumquats acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which play a crucial role in digestion and overall well-being, ensuring a balanced gut microbiome. Heart health. The abundance of antioxidants in kumquats extends its protective benefits to your cardiovascular system, promoting heart health. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease, ensuring your heart remains strong and healthy. Including kumquats in your diet can contribute to a healthy heart and a robust circulatory system, supporting overall cardiovascular health and longevity. A surprising discovery. Omega-3s in a fruit. Hold on to your hats, folks, because here comes a real shocker. Kumquats, those tiny citrus gems, harbor a secret weapon in their nutritional arsenal. Omega-3 fatty acids. Yes, you read that right, omega-3s. Those heart-healthy fats typically associated with fatty fish like salmon and tuna are also present in these unassuming fruits. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health, cognitive function, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Finding a plant-based source of omega-3s can be a challenge, making the kumquat an even more valuable addition to a balanced diet. So not only are kumquats delicious and versatile, but they also offer this unexpected bonus, further solidifying their status as a nutritional superstar. A taste of sunshine in a lovely kumquat marmalade. Let's whip up a batch of sunshine in a jar. This recipe is simple, yet it captures the vibrant essence of kumquats. Let's start with 1 pound of kumquats, 2 cups sugar, and 1 cup of water. For the directions, it couldn't be simpler. Number 1, wash the kumquats thoroughly and slice them thinly, removing any seeds. This step ensures that your marmalade will have a smooth texture. Number 2, in a large saucepan, combine the sliced kumquats, sugar and water. Make sure everything is well mixed. Number 3, bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally to dissolve the sugar. The delicious aroma will start to fill your kitchen. Number 4, reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 30 minutes or until the marmalade thickens. Patience is key here. To test it's done, spoon a small amount onto a chilled plate. This helps you check the consistency. If it sets and doesn't run, it's ready. If not, give it a few more minutes. And number 5, once thickened, remove the marmalade from the heat and let it cool slightly. This makes it easier to handle. Pour the marmalade into sterilized jars, leaving about a 1/4 inch of headspace. This space is crucial for proper sealing. Seal the jars tightly and process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure preservation. This step guarantees your marmalade will last. Now we have marmalade on call for any occasion. A kumquat story. Memories of flavor and family. Food has a remarkable ability to evoke memories, transporting us back to cherished moments with loved ones. I vividly recall a family gathering years ago where a simple jar of kumquat marmalade took center stage. The air buzzed with laughter and conversation as we passed around warm, crusty bread slathered with the sweet and tart golden spread. The unique, tangy sweetness of the marmalade sparked curiosity and lively discussion about the fruit's origins and versatility. We exchanged stories and recipes, each bite of bread a reminder of the special bond we shared. That day, the humble kumquat transcended its role as a mere ingredient, becoming a catalyst for connection and a symbol of cherished family traditions. It's another testament to the power of food to create lasting memories and to bring people together. Join the kumquat craze. If you haven't yet had the pleasure of experiencing the unique charm and surprising versatility of the kumquat, I urge you to seek them out. These tiny citrus gems are a testament to nature's creativity, offering a symphony of flavor and a wealth of health benefits in every bite. Whether you enjoy them fresh, candied, or transformed into delectable marmalades and sauces, kumquats are sure to become a new favorite. Spread the kumquat love. Share this newfound knowledge with your friends and family, encouraging them to embark on their own culinary adventures. Together, let's celebrate the diversity and deliciousness of the natural world, one kumquat at a time. Beyond the kumquat, exploring the world of exotic fruits. The world of fruits extends far beyond the familiar apples, bananas and oranges that grace our supermarket shelves, although those are lovely, aren't they? But let's venture beyond the ordinary and discover a treasure trove of exotic fruits, each with its own unique flavor profile, texture and culinary possibilities. From the spiky durian to the sweet and creamy mangosteen, a world of flavor awaits those who dare to explore. Embrace the spirit of adventure and allow your taste buds to travel the globe. Seek out farmers markets, ethnic grocery stores and online retailers specializing in exotic produce. You never know what delightful discoveries await. Remember, life is too short for bland and boring. Embrace the extraordinary and let your culinary journey be filled with the vibrant flavors of the world. Be sure to give a like to this episode and subscribe to the channel for a new culinary adventure coming soon. Bye-bye for now.